When a system is out of manufacturer warranty but needs robust repair, technicians should prioritize durable, transparent, and cost-effective solutions that protect the customer and the technician. Start by performing a thorough diagnostic to identify root causes rather than chasing symptoms. Document each test, measurement, and observed failure point in plain language the homeowner can understand. When original parts are unavailable or cost prohibitive, use high-quality aftermarket parts that meet or exceed original specifications, and keep the part datasheet or supplier information with the job file. Clearly explain to the homeowner why the chosen replacement is appropriate, what trade-offs exist, and provide a simple estimate for expected service life based on component ratings and operating conditions. For complex systems, consider phased repairs that address safety and reliability first, while deferring non-critical upgrades until the customer can plan financially. Offer a written maintenance checklist and schedule tailored to the repaired system so the owner can minimize wear and catch issues early. Finally, add a documented warranty of the work you perform with straightforward terms and an option for an extended service agreement to give the customer predictable protection. Common mistakes include using low-quality or incorrect aftermarket parts, which fail prematurely. Avoid this by insisting on parts with published specifications and reputable supplier references, and by recording parts and batch numbers in the job file. Another issue is poor documentation that leaves future technicians or the homeowner without repair history. Solve this by producing a concise service report with measurements, photos, and recommendations, and leaving a copy with the owner. A frequent concern is overpromising lifespan or performance. Manage expectations by giving conservative, data-based estimates, explaining environmental factors that affect longevity, and suggesting a timeline for proactive replacement or upgrades. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around practical home project needs, and our discussion community lets users and pros exchange real-world experiences about repairs and parts. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them showcase completed jobs, while homeowners can read discussions, ask questions, and make informed choices with our community input.